that has 15 chapters on Linux Ubuntu. Each chapter is going to show you a lot of stuff. For example, in chapter 2, you will learn the basic of Linux operating system. For each command, I show you a what is section, a man section, and examples. So for example, if you look at the calendar here, you click on the calendar, and then for each of them, it says what is calendar. It tells you calendar display a calendar like it is. Example, there's a lot of 6 of the examples, and there's manual pages in this section below that. So if you click on the first one to say, you show me the calendar, it runs the command cal, and the output is showing September 2025, which is the current month. But if you want the 9070, you click here, you get the epoch Unix calendar 9070, the entire operating system. As well as if you say, show me February 1998, so you specify cal 2 space 1998. This is your command, and here's the output for February 1998. Every command that you type in, you will get an output. For example, calendar 6 2001 will show you June 2001. And similarly, you could type in the commands yourself. Then also you get the manual pages on this one. And the third section is after you learn those commands, you want to just learn the syntax and these commands. So you get to manual pages, and you could just see that it explains the calendar and new cal and cal. And cal has better syntax because it's newer version. But at the same time, if you just type in any command here, like for example, pwd, print working directory, and you could just get the manual pages for when you click on submit, it will give you the manual pages. So it is not just the Linux commands, and that you could type in, for example, Python, and then you get information about Python. Generally, I give you a lot of details here, but at the same time, you can look at my PDF files there. So if I type in GCC, for example, GNU C collection compilers, then you could just get the manual pages for GCC. And this is a lot. So you could see it's 500 pages or something long. But at the same time, like I mentioned to you, you could also get the PDF version of these ones. So if you go to the main page of MyWebUniversity, click the direct path to Linux Ubuntu, then notice here on each chapters, I have given you a different operating system. And then, for example, chapter 9 is the Linux Ubuntu, chapter 10 is